Hey Foo fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new, you're always welcome to your boost. So like, comment, subscribe to become a part of the Foo fam. So guys, if it looks like I'm choking right now, it's because I am. Now, I can't put this jacket down because whenever I do, it's lopsided. So I don't know what that's about. But we're gonna put that back up and hopefully I don't die during this video. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing something very exciting, and also I've been wanting to do this for a while now. But I think you guys will enjoy this. I'm going to be doing finger coils on my 4B natural hair. Now I have a ponytail in my head. It is not mine. Well, it is mine. I bought it.
Goddamn right.
So I'm just gonna go ahead and take it out. Right now I am serving and I don't know what the hell is going on done. I'm gonna take this out. We're just gonna go straight into this video, y'all. I'm not gonna do much talking. By the way, I'm sorry for the big shadow in the back. I have to get better lighting, but for now this is what we're gonna be working with. But this is my hair. And y'all know how good it feels when you finally take your hair out of a tight bun or a tight ponytail. Like right now I am in heaven, okay? But I also did this ponytail because I knew it would stretch my hair out a little bit, because when it comes to this style, I don't really want to start working on hair that's already shrunken, because I know this style can shrink your hair very much, even though I am going to be watering down my hair and putting gel in it, which will curl it up. Oh, so I guess I just did this to my hair for no reason, because the water is gonna shrink it back up anyways. We are moving on. I'm gonna section my hair into, I don't wanna do like this, I wanna do like this. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do 2 big sections. But that's what I'm gonna be doing throughout my whole head, and I'm gonna be back when I get to like a section that's more in the front. Okay guys, so we are back and I did most of my hair. All I have left is these last 3 sections. Now I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. As you can see, they are on the chunkier side, but that's how I wanted to do them, just so they could look a little bit juicier. But I do have to say that I like the right side more than I like the left side. If you could see the roots, let me show you. The roots are very loose on the left side, but on the right side, it's normal. So I think it's the way that I'm twisting it, because obviously I'm using different hands for the sides. I'm gonna show you guys what I've been doing. I only have one more section on the left side, so I've just been sprinkling with water, detangling, and getting a lot of gel. And then I get more gel and focus that on my roots. When I get to the roots, I twist really hard just so it could be tight, but I don't know what it is about the left side. It just does not stay. As you can see, it just went back up to puffy. But that's fine. Oh, and apparently I left a piece right here. Wow. I'm just gonna go ahead and twist that up. I have 2 more to do on this side. So guys, like I told you before, it does look different depending on the side of your head and how you twist each side. So what I recommend for you to do if you are trying to do this, go ahead and do some locks on both sides of your head, and whichever side comes out best, just try to replicate that on the other side. My hair low-key looks like how it looked when I permed it. When I was putting perm in my hair. Overall, I would recommend for you to try this out. You might like it, but for me, it's like my natural hair is already short enough as is. I don't want a style that could just make it shorter. But I thank you so much for watching this video. From the bottom of my heart, I do say that, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Out. Love you.